Okay, so another update on the Multishot calibration instrument. This time we're going to run through the full sequence operation. We can view the readout on the HMI, and we'll go through the automatic setting of the pusher for the first phase of the process. So to get everything ready, we are going to put the system in setup mode. We will grip coupler, press the trigger, and push the button. Okay. And we should be ready to uncouple and couple. Okay, now we're in setup mode. The pusher is distal of the cannula. Bring the probe in. Okay. And now we will set the probe up. We have to reset PLC to get back to that production mode. Takes a second to start up. Now in the production mode, you can see the changes that are taking place. And the tube is closing in. Okay, so we're checking the difference between steps, and when that goes to 0, we run it 5 more pulses, and that tells us that we're home. Done. Once that's done, go back to the sandbox, and now we uncouple. And we're going to get ready to do the first step, which is to move the pusher to 0.210. Right. So now we begin to move the pusher forward, looking for the 210 position. So we 0, and then we start. So right now it's picking up the backlash from the first position. Now it's beginning to move. Okay. You can see the pusher is moving the probe out. The scale's picking up the measurement. So when we implement this, we would actually hold the button down so that it can move through this process faster until it gets up to about maybe 175, 180 or so, and then switch over to pulsing until we get to 210, and then stop. So we're going to stop it at 210. Okay. We'll bring it back manually. Yep. Right now, we'll acknowledge this position with the trigger.
First, you bring it back manually.
Okay. And the pusher has moved to the inside position. Right, probe's at 0. So now we retract the probe and couple the threader. Okay, the next step is to find the clip. Okay, so now we'll turn on the pulse. Okay, so now we're waiting, nothing to see here, until we get a signal from the shock sensor, which would show up on the screen. We've fired a number of clips from this device already, so it may take a little while before it gets to the clip. There we go, clip detected. We captured the clip. Now we'll do 4 manual pulses. Okay, no second pulse, which means that we probably captured it on the first one. So we're going to move on to the second step after we've acknowledged the clip with the trigger. Okay, so now the captured clip has been moved forward, and now we will put the probe in the clip mode. Bring the probe forward. We'll decouple the threader. Now we'll start the process. 0 the reading. Start the pulses. Now we're looking for a change. There we go. Now, of course, all that will be done automatically in the software once we get to that stage. But this shows the process. Okay, with the clip in the forward position, we acknowledge by pressing the trigger. And that's the end of the process. Okay, now the system's ended.